Can you fit your entire life into a backpack? I'm going to tell you more about that, but first of all, I think it's important to cover the process of getting there. It's a beautiful day, as you can see. Beautiful February day. The garage is looking gorgeous. A lot of this is rubbish, it's going to go to the tip. A lot of it we're giving away. Okay, I'm going to take you inside, but first I want you to prepare yourself. This is real and raw. I'm sorry, Mum. It is what it is. We haven't tried to hide anything, so I want you to keep an open mind. I'm going to show you where we're at. We're leaving in 3 weeks.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Sorry,
we're doing it.
That's messed up.
Welcome to our humble abode. So as you can see, the floor is looking fresh. The artwork that you may recognize from the last video is gone. Yeah, he wants to start cleaning to hide the shame. This is real. This is what it takes, you know? Like, could you do this? I don't know. Could you do this? Comment. Let me know. All the artwork's gone. The dining table is underneath there somewhere. Just got given these flowers. I gave Brianna's cot away, which was really nice. She gave us some flowers as a thank you. The kitchen is a tip. I'm in the process of emptying out the cupboards. So there's crap everywhere. We've been living off takeaway because we don't have time to just do dishes, and there's so much. This dryer has been running non-stop. It's getting picked up today because we have to sell it. Anything that we have has to be gone. If we can't sell it, it gets dumped. And we need every penny we can get for this. So the dryer's going. We've been running it non-stop, and then that's it. I mean, you've seen the weather. It's February in Wales, so everything's gone. It's going to be hard. We're going to have to air dry our clothes, but it's okay because we're not going to have many. They're going to be gone, and it's just crap that you don't expect. You know, the stairs, under the stairs. We just forgot. We had tea sets, keyboards, everything. This TV. We paid £700 for this TV. When? August 2020?
Yeah, maybe.
Yep, giving it away in exchange for painting the house. £700 gone, just like that. So could you do this? I don't know. Like sometimes I think I'm insane. Other days I'm excited and I feel inspired. It's got a mattress on the floor. We're getting there. I mean, this room was pretty much empty of furniture last time you saw it, but now it's properly gone. This bed here is getting collected today, and this room will be officially empty, ready to be repainted. The bath, this is embarrassing. My friend came over the other day, walked upstairs into the bathroom, and I was like, use the downstairs toilet because of this in the bath. It looks like some kind of hoarding, I don't know, jumble sale. But this is just stuff that we're going to take to the charity shop. It's our clothes, it's toys, it's dress up stuff. It's just things that we can't keep and we need to give away. So, I mean, the hallway's trashed. Everything is trashed. It's school holidays. We've got 4 children at home, with 3 children and a baby. It's school holidays. We're in the middle of packing everything into a backpack. Everything's getting condensed down. This one has also got a mattress on the floor. This is our suitcase here. That's it. That's the only suitcase for the whole family, and now this is our room. There used to be a cot here. I want you to imagine that you're me. You've just had a baby, okay? You've just had a baby. She's 6, nearly 7 months old. I'm in full nesting mode, you know? I've been collecting all these little outfits, cute bedding, all this stuff. Gone. All of it's gone. And a lot of it you can't sell. So everything you see, you just see money going. And you realise, you know, I didn't think I hoarded stuff, but actually it turns out I have accumulated a lot of things that I actually cannot justify. And I don't want to do that again. So, you know, there's pros and cons. we think that this experience is going to be worth it, but what we have to go through to get there, I just want to put this into perspective. Like, you've seen, this was where my wardrobe was. These are my clothes now. Brianna.
You should show them your backpack and
Yeah.
show them how it is.
Okay, so I received my backpack in the mail the other day. This here is it. This is my whole world. This backpack.
Okay, I'm just going to cut in quickly before Alex shows you how to not pack a backpack. The reason why we've chosen backpacks is purely because we've got 4 children. We want to be hands-free. So going through an airport, hands-free. We can sort out kids, we can do everything because all of our luggage is on our back. Also, when it comes to airports and stuff like that, we don't want our bag getting lost. And then we've lost all our gear. So I'm going to be, me and her will be using backpacks. So this here is my backpack. I'm going to quickly show you everything that's inside. And we're going to have 3 children to 1 suitcase, right? So I'll quickly just show you what's in my backpack. And I'm not going to go into it into complete detail. But as you can see, right, number 1, packing cubes. I'm taking 3 pairs of pants, trousers, 2 jumpers, 5 pairs of underwear, 5 pairs of socks, clear bag for going through airport security for your liquids and stuff like that. Just throw it straight on, making it easy. Microfiber towel in a nice little case. But that's pretty much all you need, right? That's all you need, because you have to remember that other countries wear clothes, so you can go to the shops, you can get clothes when you need to. If you need shampoo and stuff like that, you know, places like Mexico, South Korea, they sell shampoo, so you don't actually have to go too silly about it. That's a bit of a hack. So also, so I go into my top pocket here, and like I say, just laptop, a lot of gear. I'm not going to go too much into it. A battery pack for your phones or charging laptops, stuff like that. And this is a big one, right? So this here, it's a multi-plug for every country. So you can just flick the prongs out, and yeah, and then look, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 USB points for charging phones, games, whatever you need. So basically, that is just a basic demonstration on how to pack a backpack. And now we'll go back to Alexandra, and yeah, let's see what she's doing.
So here we are at the backpack station. I'm pretty sure you've had a better demonstration from Kane so far. I am getting there. Like, this is a process, and I think of it as a process of elimination. So I've basically condensed everything down into like a huge mountain, and then this or this, discard one, and that's how I'm navigating through this. Also, I design clothes. That is my job. And so I have a lot of clothes, and I have a personal attachment to my clothes. So it's been especially difficult for me to be so brutal with my stuff. So basically, it's not finished, right? It's not finished, but I'm pretty happy with it so far. I've gotten rid of all my stuff, but I've got one top. You can see it's just chucked in, basically, because I'm just getting a feel. I've got this dress. This is one of my faves. I've rolled it. See, I'm thinking about saving space. There's this method to it. Another skirt that I love, but I don't know if I can take it, because even rolled, it's pretty big. I've got a clear bag, so practical, right? I've got my essential oils. You need it for travel. Tranquility for kids. I got a towel. I don't have a fancy case, but I do have a towel, so I'm keeping up. Leggings. I got leggings because they're inside out, but they fit, right? But they roll up really small, so there's method. Once again, little leggings. Leggings times 2, and they're cool ones, of course. Knickers are likely to be sacrificed in aid of more dresses. Realistically, I may have to condense them down. a little bit, especially because they're big. And then, yeah, more dresses. I don't know how many dresses one needs. However, a dress is a top and bottoms in one. So if that's not strategic, I don't know what is. More knickers.
Are you trying to justify sacrificing your knickers?
Yeah, they're bad for you anyway. You always need air to your bits. I've got packing cubes that are not packed, but they are in there. I don't want to faff around with it, you know, I'm going to get there. And then I've got one black dress because I just thought black's a no-brainer. And that's it. So far I've got no socks, no pyjamas, no hairbrush, and no cords or chargers or, in fact, anything of use whatsoever. But I am getting there, so watch this space. So with 3 weeks left to go, that is pretty much where we're at right now. I think we've made massive progress. I'm still confident that we're doing the right thing, although it is getting harder to tell myself that as we're giving away so many things. But that's pretty much our progress for the week. I just wanted you to see what's going into this, what's going on behind the scenes, and we'll be back next week with another video as we get closer to the big day. So please subscribe, please comment, let us know what you think. Could you do this? Oh, I can't wait to hear from you, and see you next week.